What's the AOL of crypto?
Well, we still believe our position hasn't changed, right? The current account-based blockchain before Sui, all the other models are going to be wrong, going to be proven insufficient, right?
Solana can't accommodate.
Well, I mean, just think about it, right? So can you have a single rail that allow you to do everything, right? In this complex world where you say certain things has to be configured, right? This is visible between a few parties. Some things can be completely hidden, right? The current world would be, okay, if you use Ethereum or Solana and all that, you can have support maybe confidential transfer or something, but everything else will be public. But how do you form, they also have, kind of maybe ways for you to build completely private interaction between a few parties. But then if you break it down, right, it's like, what if I need something in between? What if I need some transaction to happen between parties that's completely private, but have the outcome be settled on chain, and can be used, right? How do we have programmably configure confidentiality, say, between these parties visible, between these other parties not visible, and have everything being automated, the policy be designed by a smart contract, enforced by a smart contract by the chain, right? So you start to see, well, you're going to have to use a lot of different rails, right? You potentially use a lot of different solutions for a complex transaction between complex sets of parties and counterparties. You start to understand that model wouldn't work. Right. So we're seeing the same thing happening with the early adoption of something like Canton, right?